Hello friends, do you know that transformer can be used to control short circuit current? Have you heard about that before this video? That a transformer can be used to control the short circuit current? Since our BTech days, we all learned that a transformer is simply a device that changes voltage and current levels. Most of electrical engineers know that transformer only steps up or steps down voltage and current, but that is not only purpose of a transformer. There is another very important function that is often overlooked. Transformer can also be used to reduce short circuit current in the system while maintaining the voltage level. In this video, I am going to clearly show you how a transformer reduces the short circuit current in power system. See, this is our ETAP software, and I will explain you how transformer is used to control a short circuit current without changing the bus voltage. See, this is a simple grid and we have a bus here connected. It is 33 kV bus. This is same circuit, but only we have added a transformer here. Here primary side is 33 kV and secondary side is also a 33 kV. You can check from the transformer also. See, that is 33 kV and 33 kV. Okay, that is, it is an isolation transformer. It does not perform any voltage step or step down voltage function. It does not involve any voltage transformation. Transformation is a isolation transformer, so the bus is maintained as 33 kV, but it can limit the short circuit current. Similarly, same here, two generators are, and this is a 33 kV bus, and same we have modified this circuit into by inserting a transformer here, same isolation transformer here to maintain the 33 kV bus voltage. Now we will perform the short circuit analysis. You can see here the voltage short circuit current is 25 kiloamperes, and here the short circuit current is 25 kiloamperes, but at this bar you can see the short circuit current has been reduced to 0.047 kiloamperes. Similarly, here you can see the two generators. The bus is 33 kV, that is bus 3. The short circuit current is 3.841 kiloamperes. And same here you can see at bus 5 the short circuit current is 2.96 kiloampere. This was possible by reducing this, by inserting this transformer here. We are able to reduce the short circuit current. From the ETAP simulation, you must have noticed that the short circuit current was significantly reduced simply by inserting a transformer into the system without changing the voltage level of the buses. This reduction is possible because every transformer has a built-in percentage impedance. This impedance naturally limits the amount of fault current that can pass through it during a short circuit. Now you may have a question: could we achieve the same result using a resistor? Yes, a resistor could reduce the fault current, but it could also cause a major drop in the normal operating voltage of the system. A transformer, on the other hand, allows us to maintain the proper rated voltage of the buses while still limiting the short circuit current.